Welcome back to weird container growing. Talk about weird container growing. Check that out. Isn't that just the cutest little shopping cart? Nah, we didn't steal it. This was actually given to us by Harps. Harps had a bunch of stuff in the back of their store. They were needing it hauled off, gotten rid of, and we went through it. We got a lot of different stuff. We got cinder blocks. We got some landscape timbers. We got some shelving for a shop or a greenhouse. Got this little shopping cart. And I said, you know what? I joined Weird Container Growing with Gail Southern Living. And I said, you know what? I think that may be perfect for growing sweet potatoes because they can vine off the sides of this. All the leaders will just run off that. So I lined it with some really thin, not so great weed barrier. It's landscape fabric is what it is. It was some that we already had from Brian's dad's house. And I thought, well, I'll just line the two baskets with that just to hold the soil in place. It's really thin, so it will drain really easy. And I'm going to grow sweet potatoes in that. So I got both baskets filled with compost, and I'm going to plant some sweet potatoes. Try to get this tripod set up so you guys can see me planting sweet potatoes in there. Now my sweet potatoes do not have eyes on them, but I read that you can plant whole sweet potatoes and they will grow eyes themselves. So I'm going to try it. I've got about 10 of them in here, so I'm just going to go right there and just press one down in there and cover it up. I'm going to take another one, press it down, cover it up. I'm going to do all four corners first. That one's got a few eyes on it. I'm hoping we'll do something. But we'll see. And then I'm going to do one here in the middle. I think I got, did I do one in that corner? Nope, I didn't do one in that corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's perfect. I'll do 5 in each one. I got 10. So I'm gonna do this middle one down here in the bottom. I'm not confident this is going to work, but I think in a few weeks we'll see. We're supposed to get some rain tonight and tomorrow. So I got them all planted, 5 in each section there. And we'll just see what happens in a couple weeks. So I'll make sure I update you guys on the gardening updates, and we'll see what happens. So this is for Weird Container Growing 26 with Gail at Gail Southern Living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the updates.